When construction projects get complex, clarity matters. With RIBCX, you can streamline communication, control documentation, and stay on top of quality from day one to handover. Hi, I'm Jane Paget, a senior consultant at RIB, and here are 10 reasons why project teams across construction and infrastructure rely on RIBCX to stay connected, compliant, and in control. Reason 1. Centralised collaboration in one platform. RIBCX connects all stakeholders in a single cloud-based platform. Everyone sees the same data, so decisions are made faster with fewer nasty surprises. Reason 2. Built for every phase of the project lifecycle. From planning to delivery to handover, RIBCX supports the full construction journey with smart modules for correspondence, document control, tenders, contracts administration, quality control, and defect management. RIBCX empowers project teams to stay connected, reduce risk, and deliver projects more efficiently. Reason 3. Real-time visibility across the board. RIBCX allows you to track progress, approvals, and documentation in real time. With live insights into project performance, documentation status, and compliance, you always know where things stand across projects, teams, and contractors. Reason 4. Configurable workflows that match how you work. No two projects are the same. That's why RIBCX lets you tailor forms, processes, manage permission controls, and add reportable fields so your platform works the way your teams do. Reason 5. Built-in audit trails and compliance tracking. Stay audit ready without the paperwork. Every form, file, and decision is automatically logged so you can prove compliance and simplify handover. Reason 6. Smarter document control. RIBCX replaces disconnected folders and email chains with a structured publication space. You get secure, revision-controlled access to everything, anytime, anywhere. Reason 7. Seamless quality and defect management. Track inspections, ITPs, and non-conformances in one place. Log, assign, and resolve defects quickly so you can reduce rework and close out faster. Reason 8. Tender and contract management made easy. Run tenders, manage variations, and track contract performance with full transparency. CX helps commercial teams stay on top of scope, budget, and change. Reason 9. Mobile ready for field teams. Your site teams aren't tied to desks. With RIBCX, they can access drawings, submit forms, and complete inspections from the field. No delays, no gaps. Reason 10. Trusted and secure, locally supported. With enterprise-grade security, locally based support, and role-based user permissions access, RIBCX keeps your data protected and your team supported every step of the way. From fast communication to full compliance, from quality to closeout, RIBCX gives you the structure and the flexibility to manage construction projects with confidence.